Turning to another top story, a major escalation in the president's federal takeover of the nation's capital. D.C.'s Attorney General just issued a lawsuit against the Trump administration. He says that the White House's actions are, quote, illegal, and the administration is, quote, abusing its temporary limited authority under law. CBS News Department of Justice reporter Jake Rosen has been following all of this closely for us and joins me to talk about it. So, Jake, what do we know about this lawsuit?
Well, it was filed this morning, Vlad, and it's a result of what Attorney General Pam Bondi and the Trump administration did last night. Was kind of after being given an inch by getting control of the Metropolitan Police Department for the next 25 days or so, they've gone to try to take the mile, which is using the Metropolitan Police Force to conduct immigration raids throughout the city. Those necessarily have not happened yet, but in a memo last night and an order from Pam Bondi, she says that has stripped out 4 or so provisions that were passed and put in place by the Metropolitan Police Chief and has removed that police chief, which there were a number of laws, Vlad, in place that kept city police from interacting at every level with immigration authorities and ICE. Some of that was allowing people and the Metropolitan Police Department to arrest people simply based on their immigration status, even if they have not committed a crime in the district. In addition to that, being able to look people up and basically mark them based on their immigration status. That has not been able to happen. There was some movement yesterday in which the Metropolitan Police Chief was kind of leaning in and giving the Trump administration some flexibility on this. But now, as a result of that, the D.C. Attorney General has filed a lawsuit and seeking emergency relief potentially today that would block this move that, A, took the D.C. Police Chief out of power and put in the DEA commissioner in her position, but also has fully allowed those 3,300 or so D.C. police officers here to not just be federalized, but to be federalized to conduct immigration raids.
So, as you know, Jake, Attorney General Pam Bondi revealed more actions in the city that will clear the way for ICE operations. Can you break that down for us?
Yeah, and like I just said, one of those things at the top line was removing Pamela Smith, who really the big conversation at the beginning of this week, Vlad, was what is the command structure of this temporary 30-day takeover? Is it the Justice Department and then the Chief of Police and the Mayor's office, or is it some kind of engagement where the Mayor's office is still in control but at the direction of the federal government? In this lawsuit, the D.C. Attorney General is warning that by removing the police chief, it essentially eliminates all acting and effective structures of the police department so that the officers may not know who's in charge. In addition to that, Vlad, now the D.C. Police Department can essentially be used as federal immigration authorities throughout the city, and D.C.'s current status as a sanctuary city is essentially eliminated, at least for the next 25 days or so.
Wow. All right, Jake Rosen for us. Thank you, Jake. Appreciate it.